Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to change your NAT type on Windows 11. If you're having issues with online gaming or connectivity, changing your NAT type can help. Let's get started. All right, first thing, click the Start button and search for Control Panel. Open it. Now click Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Okay, find your active network connection, usually Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Right-click on it and select Properties. Here's the thing. Find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 in the list and click Properties. Before we change anything, we need to find your IP address. Press the Windows key, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for your IPv4 address. It's usually something like 192.168.1.x. Write it down. Now go back to the IPv4 properties window. Select Use the following IP address and enter your IPv4. For the subnet mask, enter 255.255.255.0. For the default gateway, enter your router's IP, usually 192.168.1.1. Below that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS, enter 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS, enter 8.8.4.4. These have Google's public DNS servers. Click OK. Next, search for Internet options in the Start menu. Go to the Advanced tab, click Restore Advanced Settings, then Apply and OK. And that's it. Your NAT type should now be changed. Restart your PC to apply all changes. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.